This morning, coronavirus back on the rise in more than half the country. The White House warning at least 18 states are now in the so-called red zone after showing a worrisome surge in new cases in August. In Missouri, nearly 3/4 of the state currently has moderate or high levels of community transmission, while Virginia just saw its second deadliest week ever. And in Wisconsin, more than 80% of all counties are now seeing dangerously high levels of spread. The governor declaring a public health emergency Tuesday and extending the state's mask mandate.
I think it's, one of the most critical steps that we can take right now.
And I hope that understanding is not going to frighten people, but will jolt them into realizing that it is within our hands to prevent that.
Dr. Anthony Fauci saying the new numbers should be a wake-up call.
We can't throw our hands up and say it's hopeless.
Fauci also showing new hope for an imminent vaccine.
I have said that I'm cautiously optimistic.
But a new poll finds 6 in 10 Americans say they will likely opt out of an early vaccine, and nearly a quarter say they'll skip the shot entirely. This, as the Washington Post reports, the FDA is expected to announce tougher standards for vaccine makers that could make it unlikely a vaccine will be authorized before Election Day, because vaccine volunteers would have to be monitored for 2 months after their second dose. President Trump, at a rally in Pennsylvania last night, praised his response to the pandemic.
We did an A+ job.
At that rally, he did not mention the U.S. death toll surpassing 200,000, but once again mocked Joe Biden for wearing a mask.
He feels good about the mask. I wonder, in the debate, it'll be him and I on the stage. Is he going to walk in with a mask?
Meanwhile, the CDC is out with a new warning for parents ahead of Halloween.
We don't want Halloween to be this massive transmission event where we bring all these kids back together.
Experts saying traditional trick-or-treating is too risky.
Oh, here we go.
So that's how you do it. That's how you get your candy.
One dad in Ohio came up with this candy chute, an idea now touted by Governor Mike DeWine. Instead of the traditional door-to-door trick-or-treating, the CDC suggests grab-and-go treats that are left outside. It's also reminding everyone that a costume should not replace masks when it comes to stopping the coronavirus. Kenneth and Deirdre.
Thank you very much.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.